Happy Tuesday to you. Today is April the 24th, and this is Dr. Bomar, your academic coach, and welcome to my top tips in our countdown to finals spring 2018. What I want to share with you today is take advantage of the resources that you have available on campus. Your most obvious resource is your professor. Your professor might offer a review the days before finals. You might have dead days or study days or reading days, depending what your university calls them. And those are those maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days after classes are over and before finals begin. Some schools don't have reading days or dead days, but if yours do, that's a good time many times for the professor to offer a review. So if your professor offers a review, my tip for you is to go. And before you go to the review, is you need to do some legwork. You need to pull out all your notes for the semester, all your handouts, all your PowerPoints. Just read over all the readings. You don't have to read the readings. Just look at the table of contents for each chapter if it's that kind of reading. Just go over all your notes for the whole semester if it's a comprehensive final before you go to the review. If it's a math type review class where you're having to do problems, maybe an economics class or an accounting class or that type of class, statistics class, then you want to do your major problems, your major categories of problems. You want to work those out before you go to the review so you can have some specific questions. The review might be held by the professor or by the TA. So if your professor is offering a review, you should go and you should do your homework before you get to the review. The other resource on campus that I would like you to take advantage of is the Writing Center. If you have a major paper, an essay you need to turn in as your final, instead of a final exam, professors will ask you to write a paper. This is when you want to go see the Writing Center. We've talked about the Writing Center in previous tips. The other big resource I'd like you to take advantage of is the Math Lab or the Tutoring Center or the Learning Center. Your university will have, we'll call it different names, but it's a center in your university, an office in your university that offers tutoring. So they'll have hours and they'll have people there that know the topic. So I want you to take advantage of it. So what I want you to do, particularly if you're taking math, if you're in a math class, I want you to go do your homework, all your review problems at the Math Lab, so that if you get stuck, you can go talk to someone that could possibly help you get unstuck. And this is really critical to the learning process, is that you get an answer immediately as soon as you have the question when you're doing a math problem. So my tips for today is take advantage of the resources that are available to you on campus. One is your professor and any reviews that he or she might offer prior to finals, the Writing Center, the Math Lab / Tutoring Center. Okay, this is Dr. Bomar, and I'm your academic coach. Please stay tuned for some more tips. I'll try to post something tomorrow. If you've missed my previous videos, please take a look on my Facebook page or on LinkedIn. And so or YouTube. It's on YouTube. Talk soon. Bye.